Everyone wants to make extra cash, right? We're all looking for that side hustle, that way to pad our income without quitting our day jobs. But what if I told you there's a way to make $100 a day just by using Google? No, seriously, I'm not kidding. In 2025, people are making serious money with Google, and the best part, it's completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to start earning money with Google today, so stick around because this is information you don't want to miss. Alright, let's kick things off with the easiest method on the list. Google Opinion Rewards. It's an app from Google where they pay you for your opinion. Download the app, answer a few questions, and Google sends you surveys tailored to your profile. These are quick, 1 to 5 question surveys that take just a minute or two. Stuff like, which logo do you prefer? Or rate your experience at this store. For every survey you complete, you earn Google Play credits or PayPal cash. Real money straight to your account just for sharing your thoughts. It might not be a fortune, but it's an effortless way to earn a little something extra every single day. Imagine, you could be sipping your morning coffee, answering a quick survey, and bam, you've already earned enough to cover that latte. Head over to the Play Store or App Store, download Google Opinion Rewards, and start getting paid for your opinion today. Trust me, this is the real deal. Ready for method number 2? This one's for all my aspiring media moguls out there. We're going to build a content empire using nothing but Google's free tools. First, head over to Google News and check out the trending topics. Find a niche that interests you, whether it's tech, finance, fashion, whatever you're into. Once you've found your niche, it's time to craft some content. Take a trending news article, rewrite it in your own words, make it engaging, make it you. And hey, if you need a little help, ChatGPT is your best friend. This AI tool can help you rephrase, restructure, and create killer content in minutes. Now that you've got your content, it's time to build your platform. Head over to Blogger, Google's free blogging platform. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Create your blog, choose a catchy name, and start publishing those articles. But how do you make money from this, you ask? AdSense, my friends. AdSense is Google's advertising platform. It's easy to set up on your Blogger site, and every time someone clicks on an ad on your page, you earn money. The more traffic you get, the more clicks you get, the more money you make. Chapter 3. Google Sites plus Affiliate Marketing, your global sales machine. Let's move on to method number 3, and this one is all about building a global sales machine using 2 of Google's most powerful tools, Google Sites and affiliate marketing. Think of a niche, any niche. Maybe you're into gadgets, fitness, travel, cooking, whatever gets you excited. Now let's build a website around that passion using Google Sites. It's completely free, super easy to use, and you don't need any coding experience. They've got templates, drag and drop features. It's foolproof. Once your website is up and running, it's time to sprinkle in some affiliate marketing magic. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Digistore24. These platforms give you unique links to products related to your niche. When someone clicks on your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of closing deals. Once your website is set up, it can generate income 24/7, even while you sleep. Chapter 4. Sell Google Sheets. Templates, your digital product, goldmine. Now let's talk about turning your Google skills into digital products that sell like hotcakes. I'm talking about creating and selling Google Sheets templates. Think about it. What are some tools or resources that could make people's lives easier? Maybe it's a budget planner, a business invoice template, a habit tracker, or even a meal planner. Open up Google Sheets and start creating. Use the formulas and functions to make your templates interactive and user-friendly. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with creative template ideas and content. Then, head over to Canva to design professional-looking visuals and graphics to make your templates really pop. Once your templates are ready to go, it's time to sell them to the world. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip make it incredibly easy to sell digital products. You set the price, upload your templates, and they handle the rest. Chapter 5. Google Ads. Skill plus freelancing, your high-income skill set. Alright, let's talk about leveling up your skills and earning some serious income. I'm talking about becoming a Google Ads expert and selling your services as a freelancer. Google offers free training through their Skillshop platform. You can learn everything you need to know about Google Ads, from the basics to advanced strategies. Once you've got a solid understanding of Google Ads, it's time to get certified. Google offers certifications that prove your expertise to potential clients. Now that you're a certified Google Ads pro, it's time to find clients. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teaming with businesses looking for skilled Google Ads managers. Create a compelling profile, showcase your skills and certifications, and start pitching your services. Businesses need it to thrive in today's digital world. They're willing to pay top dollar for experts who can manage their campaigns and drive results. So, there you have it, 5 incredibly powerful ways to make money using Google in 2025. The best part? You don't need to invest a single dime or have any prior experience. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and tricks. I post new videos every single day, so make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.